guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Xenia, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the P-Safe toilet seat sanitizer spray. It is a toilet seat sanitizer spray. So basically this is a spray, it's a sanitizer spray which will sanitize the toilet seat which you are using. So basically this is a very important part of women hygiene. If you are someone who's using a toilet which is used by various other people, various other individuals, so that particular toilet has a higher risk of having germs that will give you a lot of infectious diseases like urine infections, UTI, or other diseases like which you might get from the germs present in the toilet. The toilet might seem to be very clean and maintaining hygiene and all, but they have a lot of germs, bacteria which are not visible to the eye, which is invisible to the eye. So to protect yourself from the harmful effects of the bacteria and germs which is present in the toilet of various multiplexes, offices, schools, colleges, I feel that all the women out there, all the girls, all the ladies should have a toilet seat sanitizer with themselves. So today I have the P-Safe toilet seat sanitizer spray, which has been there in the market for quite some time now, and it is quite affordable, quite pocket friendly. I have this bottle, and this is kind of a spray bottle, and this is the nozzle of it, and this is basically a 75 ml bottle that has 42 gram of the product, and it retails for 180 rupees. But of course you would find them at great discount in Amazon and in other online websites. So kind of for 75 ml you have to pay just 180 rupees plus discount you will get. So of course I think it's quite affordable and quite travel friendly because the size is quite small and compact. You can definitely keep it in your purse, you can definitely keep it in your bag and carry it to all the places that you are traveling. Even if you're visiting your friend's house, even if you're visiting your neighbor's house or your relative's house and you have to use their toilet, so it's better that you sanitize the toilet seat with the P-Safe sanitizer, toilet seat sanitizer, and then use the toilet to protect yourself from the diseases which you might get from the germs that is present in those individual toilets. So basically you can use it on toilet seats, you can use it on toilet tops, you can use it on flush, you can use it on the doorknobs, you can use it in the buckets wherever you are sitting or you're trying to open the door of the toilet. So you can just spray it on the knob, and you are going to get a germ-free toilet wherein you can protect yourself from all the harmful effects of the germs that you might be infected with. So this is basically an instant toilet seat sanitizer, and it acts as a disinfectant that ensures a safe and germ-free toilet experience. All you need to do is enter the toilet and spray it from a distance of 25 centimeter wherever you're going to sit, or probably you're going to open the tap in the wash basin. So you just spray it from a distance of 25 centimeter and wait for 10 seconds. In that 10 seconds it is going to kill the germs instantly, and also wait for 10 seconds to dry it. Not only it will dry in the 10 seconds, but it will also kill all the germs, and then you can open the tap, you can open the door, you can sit on the toilet seat, and you can use the toilet. So in whichever ways you want to. Even if you are going to airport and you need to use the washroom, so you have to if you want to use the tap, so you can first spray it on the tap. If you have to open it with your hand like that, or if you want to open the door of the toilet, you can spray it on the knob of the door, or you can also spray it on the toilet seat to protect yourself from the germs that is present in the toilet. Because so many people are using the same toilet, you never know what kind of infections other people are carrying, so you might get those infections from other people. Maybe the infections are contagious, so it might be passed on to you. So it's better that you definitely use a toilet seat sanitizer whenever you're using a public toilet, and definitely this P-Safe toilet seat sanitizer is one of the best options available in the market. And this is dermatologically tested, and I have the variant mint, which has a wonderful fragrance, but there are other two variants as well. And the shelf life of this product is 2 years from the date of manufacture. All you need to do is enter the toilet, spray it at a distance of 25 centimeter, wait for 10 seconds to dry, and then you can use the toilet, or you can open the tap, or you can open the door. That's how you can maintain your personal hygiene and protect yourself from getting infections, UTI, whatever. There's so many things that's happening these days, so many infections you can get by using the public toilet. So to protect yourself from all the infections and to keep yourself safe and germ free, you can definitely use this Be Safe Toilet Seat Sanitizer. It's easily available, and I've showed you the packaging. It's a beautiful green and black packaging, and yeah, so you just need to spray it like that and just wait for 10 seconds. And the aroma, and the smell is just awesome. And yeah, so that's it. So I kind of recommend, I 100% recommend this product to you guys, and definitely you can try your hands on this. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.